Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem Amazon gift card on Fetch Rewards. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If you haven't already, click the Get the App button, and what will happen is you can scan now to get the free app. You can download on the App Store or you can get it on Google Play. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, Fetch Rewards allows you to redeem points for a variety of gift cards, including Amazon. Now, this flexibility means you can choose to use your points toward Amazon purchases, which offers an extensive selection of products across numerous categories. Now, basically, all you're gonna do, for example, is you have multiple transactions with Amazon. I need you to snap receipts. By that is you need to scan. That's why I ask you to get the app on your mobile device. You snap your receipts, so you get points for every receipt of your snap. And of course, you earn faster with personalized offers. You can shop here in Amazon. And of course, you get rewarded and redeem points for gift cards and more. All right. Now, all I have to do, as I've told you earlier, is to scan the receipts for every transaction you made within Amazon. Now, after that, you can go to Fetch and, of course, go to their partner stores. What I want you to do is go to Amazon directly. Now, I'll tell you what, once you have accumulated enough points or rewards on your Fetch account, you might want to go here at Amazon directly. For example, you wanted to purchase something like, I don't know, like deals in PCs. Click on the specific item. Maybe you wanted to purchase an HP 14-inch laptop stream ultralight for students and business. If you add this to cart, okay, and you have it, you click on your cart right here, and you wanted to, of course, proceed to checkout. Now, after the checking of your items, you might want to click on the payment method right here at the bottom and the gift options. Now, you can simply click the gift options, and that is where you use the Fetch Rewards. All right. Now, other option is just go to your account. Now, by clicking the upper right corner right here, click on account and click on the gift cards. All right, because this is the section wherein you can redeem a gift card, and all I have to do is put in your Fetch Rewards account code here. After doing so, click on apply to your balance, and once during the checkout, use that balance, of course, from the Fetch Rewards to purchase the specific item that you wanted. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.